Okay, ma, in this class we are going to discuss about Radix Sort. Okay, so you have idea about many sorting techniques, merge sort, quick sort, right? So what is meant by sorting? So arranging the elements in order, either in ascending order or in descending order, right? So here in Radix Sort also we are going to arrange the elements in order only. Okay, so here we arrange the elements or we sort the elements digit by digit. Okay, so we have seen merge sort and quick sort. So merge sort and quick sort, it following the divide and conquer technique, right? We are arranging the elements in order. So for Radix sort also we are arranging the elements in order. Okay, so here see Radix sort is okay. So is a sorting technique. We are arranging the elements in order, right? So here the arrangement is different. Ma, here we arrange the elements digit by digit. Okay, so based on the digit only we arrange. Okay, see, so consider the list of elements. Okay, so we consider the least significant digit. Okay, so least significant digit to most significant digit. Okay, so first we consider the least significant digit, so we arrange that least significant digit in order and then up to most significant digit. So see here, in Radix sort algorithm, we arrange elements based on the digits. So see here, sorting is performed from least significant digit to most significant digit. That is least significant. You have idea about least significant digit and most significant digit, right? So consider 182. Consider the number 182. Okay, so least significant digit is 2, ones place digit. Okay, so next least significant digit is 8, right? So next one is 1, right? So most, consider the digit, consider the number 182. So least significant digit is 2 and most significant digit is 1. Okay, so from we consider we sort the elements based on the least significant digit only. Okay, so from least significant digit, first we consider the least significant digit. So next we have to sort that list. Next we consider the second least significant. Next up to most significant digit we have to choose. Okay, so see, so before this algorithm, let's see the procedure. Okay, then only you get to understand. Okay, so see here. So look at the example. 82, 9, 901, 100, 12, 150, 77, 55, and 23. This is the list we have to sort. This is the unsorted list. We have to sort this. Okay. So digit by digit. Okay. We have to consider the digit. Okay. So see here 82. Least significant is 2. 901. Least significant is 1. Right. 100. Last one 0. Next 1 2, least significant is 2, right? So like that we have to consider and in that index we have to take. So consider here, so we can do this Radix sort in two ways, ma. One is by using queues. Okay, so you have to take a queue, that means digits. We consider the digits 0 to 9, right? Okay, so we have to consider the queues 0 to 9. That means totally 10 queues we need to take. Okay, so 10 queues we need to take. In that, based on that index we have to store. Okay, so see the step 1 in algorithm. So define 10 queues, each representing a bucket for each digit 0 to 9. Okay, so digits, it is completely based on the digit only. Okay, so consider the digits 0 to 9. Okay, so that means 10, total 10 queues we need to take. Okay, so next, consider the least significant digit of each number in the list which is to be sorted. So first we have to consider the least significant digit. Okay, so consider 82. So least significant digit is 2, right? So 901. least significant digit is 1. So 0, next 2, next 0, next 7, next 5, next 3. Okay, so where to store this 82? Least significant digit is 2, right? So Q2 only we are going to store this 82. Okay, so in this Q2 we have to store 82. Okay, see here 2. Okay, 82 we need to store in Q2, bucket 2. Okay, so next 901. Okay, so 1 is the least significant digit. So we have to store that 901 in bucket 1. Okay, so next 100. So 100. This one we have to store, this number we have to store in Q0. Next 2. So need to store in bucket 2. Next 150 in 0. Okay, so 77 in 7, 55 in 5, 23 in 3. Okay, so based on that least significant digit only we are sorting. Okay, so this, okay, so next one. So we sorted. So next after that we have to group all the numbers. Okay, so we have considered here 0 to 9. That means totally 10 queues we have taken, right? So, and based on the least significant digit, we have stored in the queues, right? So now we have to group all these numbers, okay, based on the queue. Okay, so consider Q0, what are the elements are there? So what are the elements? 100 and 150, right? Okay, so take 100 and 150. Okay, so here why we are considering Q here? So we have to consider the first one and second one based on the so existence. See here, so first we inserted 100, next we inserted 50. First we have to consider 100, next 150, next 901, next 82, 12, next 23, next 55, next 77. Okay, so group all these numbers, okay, from Q0 to Q9. Okay, so next not completed. Okay, next step is, so we have to again we have to consider the next least significant digit. Okay, so from this sorted list, okay, so see here, this is not completely sorted. Okay, so after one step we got this list. Okay, from this list again we have to find the next least significant digit. Okay, see, next least significant digit, that is in tens place. Okay, 0, 5, 0, 8, 1, 2, 5, 7. Okay, so 100 we have to store in 0. Okay, so 150. So least significant, next least significant digit is 5. So we have to store in Q5. Okay, see here in Q5. Next 901. So 0. Okay, so we have to store 901 in Q0. 82. Next 82. 8. We have to store this 82 number in Q8. Okay, so next 12, 1. Okay, so store in Q1, 23 in 2, 55 in 5, 77 in 7. See, so now we have to group all the numbers from Q0 to Q9. So now see 100, 901, 12, 23, 150, 55, 77, 82. Okay, so again the order changed, right? So like that we need to do. Okay, so next uh, up to uh, so we need to do up to most significant digit, from least significant digit to most significant digit. Okay, so this is the least significant digit, right? So from here to, we started from here least significant digit. Okay, from next least significant digit, next like that up to we reach the most significant, up to most significant digit we have to consider. Okay, so next again, so next step we have to consider next least significant digit, that is nothing but the most significant digit in this number. Okay, so see, next one is See here 1, 9. So here only 2 digits in that number. So we need to consider this as 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 5, 5, 0, 7, 7, 0, 8, 2. Okay, so now it is 100. So 1, 9, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so 1. So 100 we need to store in Q1. 901 store in Q9. 012. Okay. So we need to store in Q0. 023. Consider it as 023. Okay. So store in Q0. So next 150. 1 in Q1. So next 55. 055. Okay, so store in 0, Q0. Next is 77 in 0. Okay, 82. So in Q0. How many So next, see. So finally, see here, we reached most significant digit. Okay, so okay, so next we need to stop sorting. So now check it. So we have to group all this from Q0 to Q9. So now we have to merge all, group all. Okay, so here see Q0 we have 12, 23, 55, 77, 82. Next in Q1 100, 150. Next see all these Qs are free. Next finally Q9 we have element 901. So see 12, 23, 55, 77, 82, 100, 150, 901. So we got the sorted list. Okay, so this is the procedure. Okay, see, define 10 queues, each representing a bucket for each digit 0 to 9. Okay, so we have to consider the digits from 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 means 10. Okay, so consider 10 queues. Okay, so next, consider the least significant digit of each number in the list which is to be stored. Okay, so first we have to consider least significant digit. Okay, so that we have to store in a bucket or queue. So next, insert each number into their respective queue based on the least significant digit, right? So next, group all the numbers from Q0 to Q9 in all in the order they have inserted into their respective queues. So what we did first, we have taken 10 queues. Okay, first we are considering the least significant digit. Based on the least significant digit, we are inserting in that queue. Okay, so next, after inserting, what we are doing, so we are grouping all the numbers from Q0 to Q9. Okay, then we are getting some order. Okay, order. So next, so we have to repeat this until reach the most significant digit. Okay, see here, repeat from step 3 based on the next least significant digit. That means again we have to choose the next least significant digit and we have to do the same procedure. That is, so next least significant and we have to insert it in a queue and then group all the numbers. So next again repeat from step 2 until all the numbers are grouped based on the most significant digit. Okay, until we reach the most significant digit, we have to do that. Okay, so hope you understood. Clear? Why is it clear? Radix sort.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is one procedure, ma'am. We are using queues here. Okay, so why we are using queues? See here. So we need first in, first out. So that's why we are using queue here. So first we are inserting 100. Okay. So next we are inserting 150. Okay. We need in that way. So that's why we are using queues. Okay. This is one procedure. Another way is, so we using counting sort. Okay. So another way is that one we will see. Okay, is it clear? So first we have to take 10 buckets, then least significant digit, choose the least significant digit, then insert, then group. Okay, so like that up to most significant digit. Okay. Okay. So note on this example, ma. So this is task for you. Note on this one. 181, 289, 390, 121, 145, 736, 514, 212. Note on this. Okay. So see. So what is the first step? We have to consider 10 queues. Okay, that is from 0 to 9. Okay, you can do this one in another way also. I will explain. So first to see this one. So using the queues. So from least significant to most significant. Okay, so now consider this example 181, 289, 390, 121, 145, 736, 514, 212. Okay, so now consider the least significant. Least significant 190, 1, 5, 6, 4, 2. Right? Okay. So now 181 in one place. Okay. So next we have to consider 9, right? 0, 1, 2. Okay. So like that you have to take 9 buckets, 9 queues. Okay, so now 181. So least significant is it 1. So insert into Q 181. Okay. So next 289. So that is 9. So insert 289 in, insert 289 in bucket 9 or Q9. So next 390. 390. Next one is do parallel with me, ma. So next one is 121. Next 145. 145. Okay, so this is a Q5. Next 736 in Q 6. 736. Next in 4 5 and 4. So do it and tell me the order. Next here 2 1 2. Yes, tell me the order, ma. 390.
181.
Yes, 390, 181, 121, 212,
212, 514,
514,
5,
145, 136.
736 to 89.
Yes, 736 to 89. Okay, so next again take least significant digit. Least significant digit. So 390 least significant digit is next least significant digit. Next least significant digit is 9, right? Store it 9 in bucket 9. Noted in this order, ma 390, 181, 121, 212, 514, 145, 736, 289. Okay, so now next least significant digits. See 9, next one 8, 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 8. Okay, so now store 390 in bucket 9. Okay, so next 181,
Bucket 8.
bucket 8, 121,
Bucket 2.
bucket 2. Okay, so next 212, bucket 1. Okay, so 514
Bucket
in
1.
1, 145,
Bucket 4.
bucket 4. Next
736 in bucket 3.
736 in 3. Next
289.
289 in 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now tell me the list
514.
from 0 to 9.
514. 212.
514,
212.
212. Okay,
21.
Ma'am, first 212 or
is it right?
514, ma'am.
After 212 only 514. Okay, so tell me
212, 514,
212, 514,
121,
1.
121,
736,
736,
145.
145,
145, right?
289.
181,
181 is
181, ma'am.
yes, ma. 181
289,
after that only 289 is 181, 289, 390.
390.
Okay, ma. So next again take next least significant digit. So that is hundreds place. That is nothing but the most significant digit, right? So you can take more number also. So here we have taken 3-digit number, right? So you can take 4-digit number also. Okay. So but up to that number you have to take consider. Okay. So next. So tell me next significant digit, least significant digit, or most significant digit.
2.
2. Okay. Complete it. Okay. Complete and tell me the list, sorted list.
121.
Okay.
145.
181.
212.
Okay.
289.
289. Okay.
390.
390.
514.
736.
36.
Okay. So you got the list in order, right? Okay. So any least significant digit or most significant digit is there? So no, completed. Okay. So you got the list in order. This is a radix sort. So another way is using the counting sort. Okay. This is by using the queues. Okay. So another way is using counting sort. Okay. So see here. Wait, I'm sharing the algorithm for that radix sort using counting sort algorithm. Okay, completed. The file missing. Okay, ma. So that file missing, ma. I will tell you later that. So I will explain how to do. Okay, using counting sort. So here we are using queue for sorting, right? So but least significant digit we are storing in that queue, right? So like that only here we use the counting sort algorithm. Okay, for performing the radix sort. Same procedure is same only, but we use the instead of using queues we use counting sort algorithm. That is nothing but the counting sort algorithm is nothing but it counts a number. Okay, so how many times it exists. Okay, so that is the counting sorting. So see here 82, 901, 100, these are the numbers, right? So consider the same least significant digit only 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5, 3, like that. But here what we are doing, we just inserting these least significant digit in a queue, right? So suppose a 2 in a Q2 we are inserting, right? 1 we are inserting in Q1, right? Okay, so but another way is, so we have to sort based on the least significant digit. Okay, so consider 82, 901, 100. Okay, so based on the least significant digit we need to sort. Okay, so see here 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 7. So note down that least significant digits and we have to sort 2, 1. Next one is 0. Next one is 2. Next 0. So noting the least significant digits of the numbers. Okay. So next one 7. Next 5. Next 3. Right? Okay. So 2, 1,
5,
2, 0,
3.
7, 5, 3. Okay, so these are the least significant digits. Okay, so we need to store these in a counting array. We have to take the count array. Okay, we have to store these numbers. Okay, these digits. Okay, see the order 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5, 3. Okay, so this counting sort it counts the digit how many times it exists. See here 0 how many times existed? 2 times. 1, 1 time. 2, 2 times. 3, 1 time. 5, 1 time. 7, 1 time. Okay. So next. Okay. So it counts the digits how many times it existed. Okay. So first we have taken the least significant digits. Okay. So we need to sort it out. Okay. So next to see how to sort this one. So see 0 first, right? 0. So this 0 we taken from the number 100, right? So first we have to consider here 100. Next one, next 0 is 150, right? So 150. Based on the least significant digit, we are sorting the list. Okay. So we are not storing in the queue. We just sorting the list. Okay, based on the least significant digit. Next one is 1, right? So 1 is 901. Right? So next is 2. So 82. So next 12. 1, 2. Next one is so 0, 1. Next 3, right? 3 is 23. Next number 5. 55. Okay, so next number is 7. 77. See, all numbers sorted or any number is missing. Check mark. So 100, 150, 901, 182, 12, 23, 55, 77. Okay, so this is the sorted list according to the least significant digit. Okay, so next. So consider this list. Now consider this list and take next significant digit. Okay, so based on that we have to sort. Okay, so next significant digit. So next to see 0, 5. So see here every time we are considering the least significant digit, right? So that we have to store in one array, and so from that array we have to take the maximum element. See here 2102075 3. What all these are the least significant digits of the numbers list, unsorted list. Okay, so we have to consider okay this in a array, and now we have to take maximum element from that list. Okay, see here 2102075 3. Maximum is 7. Okay, now we have to create array. Okay, so maximum is 7, right? So 7 plus 1. So that array we okay, that array is nothing but the counting array. Counting array. Okay, so what is counting array? See here, counting array we have to consider up to 0 to, so maximum element is 7, so we have to consider 8. Okay, that means if you consider from 0, it is up to 7. This is the counting array. Okay, so you see here 0. Okay, 0. So how many times 0 existed? 0, 1, 2. 0 existed 2 times. Okay, so next 1, 1, 1 time. Next 2, 2 times. Right? So next 3, 1 time. So next 4, 0. There is no 4, right? So next 5, 1 time. 6, 0. Okay, so like that we have to take the counting array. 1, 2, so give the index 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. So 7 existed how many times? 1 time. So this is the counting array. Okay, so here, see here, we are not storing entire number. So we are storing the least significant digit in the, okay, array. From that array, we need to transform. We have to perform counting sort in on this array. Okay, we have to perform counting sort on least significant digits. Okay, so then so finally after this on we have to perform on this list, we have to perform counting sort of, finally we get the list in order. That means see here 2102075 3, right? So back it gives the list in order 0 0 1 2, okay, 2 3 5 7. Okay, 0 0 1 2 2 3 5 7. Okay, so counting sort, by using counting sort we are sorting the least significant digits. Okay, so from that, so we arranging the elements. Okay, so next we arrange it like this: 100 150 901. Okay, so from this again we have to do. So from this again we have to consider the next least significant digit, and then next least significant digit, and again next least significant is 0 5 9 0 8 1 2 5 7. So this digits again we need to store in array, and again we have to perform counting sort, and then we get the sorted list. Based on that we have to sort the next significant, next most significant one, like that we have to perform. Okay, so in next class I will explain radix sort using counting sort algorithm in brief. Okay, so